Yo, dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be taking a look at some Amazon stuff. Let's get to it. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at some Rick and Morty assorted stickers. I got these on Amazon. It's just a assorted listing. I'll put the link in the description about exactly where I got it. But, really it's just a random collection of stickers, so I just wanted to see what we got. So, you got some of the classic head views. Pickle Ricks. That's a fun one. Make America Swifty again. I really like this one. Perfect for our election cycle right now. Rick and Morty, a classic. I'm not sure what you call that look, but it's always funny when their lips look like that. Peace Among Worlds. Rick and Morty. Get Swifty. Is it playing like a Nintendo Switch there? Oh, Get Switchty. I see. Oh, maybe I'll put that on my Switch. You can run, but you can't hide, bitch. Oh, I love Scary Terry. God damn. Nice. One of my favorite lines to say. Show me what you got. Nice. You got a Mr. Meeseeks Nike. Oh, yeah. This Swifty in the Adidas style. That's a pretty cool one. I like that. Lubba dub dub. Free hugs. That's a funny one. Oh, yeah. You got this Quentin Tarantino style. Reservoir Dogs. Happens to be my favorite Tarantino movie. Kill Jerry. Another Tarantino reference. Can do. Nice. Haha, I like this. Sanchez Jim. The grandfather instead of Godfather. That's nice. Oh, I love this. I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Look at me in the old Looney Tunes style. Ah, Evil Morty. Nice. Another Morty head. Frustrated about to cry, Morty. Summer. Sexy Summer. Concerned mom. Summer with those lips. I don't know what they call those lips. W lips. I guess what I'll call them. Get riggedy wrecked, son. Riggedy wrecked, son. You gotta get Swifty. A lot of Swifties. The classic kind of logo, them coming through the portal. Now, what do we have here? This is kind of hard to see. Can it get really close? No. So I'm having trouble with my eyes. Oh, it's just a bunch of different universe Mortys and things. That Rick's showing him on a screen. Kind of interesting one. Oh, this is cool. Kind of an MC Escher play. I love MC Escher, so that's kind of a fun one. Morty coming out of the portal. Rick jumping into the portal. Oh, you got a little Stranger Things action going on there. Well, just a portal. Goodbye, Moon Man. What a great song. Oh, that's kind of a cool one. Looks like something I'd want to put on a skateboard, or that could be like cool skateboard art on the deck. Oh man, the reference is escaping me right now, but that's a cool one. Oh yeah, just like killing. Good old Michael Crumbopulus. Crumbopulus Michael? Yeah. Morty in handcuffs. Rick in handcuffs. Got our first Jerry here. Rum Raisin. He needs Beth to take over. He's not supposed to drive. Oh, this is the kind of Mad Max. Tiny Rick. Squanchy. Oh, yeah. All right. The dog. Forget his name. Snowball? Yeah. Goldenfold. This is when he's pleading to not be impotent anymore. I love that episode. One of the best episodes, in my opinion. The one where Summer starts working for Satan. And yeah, great episode. Oh yeah, Jerry with the Hulk gloves, punching the elevator. Reminds me of the Fortnite Hulk gloves too. Here if you need to talk. We got the Gazorp females. Got a little Star Wars crossover action. Nice. Free Rick. Rick and Morty. Looks like a Adult Swim bumper art. Abraham Lincoln. Man, I forget how to say that, but that's funny. Oh, you got the kind of the same style, but now a Morty. Ball fondlers. Oh, you got a Rick in that style too. This is the Tiny Universe, Micro Universe. That's actually pretty cool, and I like that. Psychedelic. If I went to school, I'd put that on a binder. Rick and Morty. Just a bunch of random monsters. Pretty cool. Another show me what you got. It's pretty cool. Pickle Rick. Bird person. That's a cool one. Oh, you got the old scream. That's cool. I like this one though. That's pretty neat. Oh, is that man? Forget the name of the reference there. That looks pretty cool though. Unity. Very cool. We can do it with the big arm. Here's Morty's W lips. Mr. Poopy Butthole. Oh yeah. Good old dead Santa. Ants in the Eyes Johnson. Alright. Tiny Rick is the Nirvana cover. And more than just a hammer. Is that a Pokemon character? I think so. That's what it looks like. I forget the reference here if it's not Pokemon. You got a little bit of a steampunk Rick. This one's cool. I've got a cheap, polyester shirt that's got this on it. It's pretty cool. We got Joker Rick. Pokemon, I think. Oh, sad, pathetic Jerry. Oh, we got W Lips Jerry. Whiskey Dub Dub. It's reversed, but this is not a decal, it's a sticker, so that's which is kind of lame actually. Anatomy Park. Rick and Morty, like Breaking Bad style. Don't Panic, got a cool Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy one. It's a nice, simple on Pickle Rick. Here we go, we got Pikachu Morty. Oh man, I forget all my Pokemon lore, but another Rick Pokemon reference. Charizard, Summer. Yeah, I like the keep the eyes open, kind of like a Clockwork Orange style. This is them shooting all the memory worms. I like that episode. Speaking of that episode, yeah. Jerry with Sleepy Gary. That's hilarious storyline. Greeting the Tiny Universe people. Tiny? I always forget which universe is which. Ha! Got a buff Jerry. This is clearly a reference to something. I'm missing this reference. Let me know in the comments if you know that reference. We got the NASA style Rick and Morty. Oh, we got Jessica and Morty. Oh, this one's pretty crazy. Pretty cool one. Got the Screaming Sun. That's a fun one. Just galaxies. Szechuan dipping sauce. It's got like a W lips emoji. Mr. Poopy Butthole. Ooh wee. We got this Frankenstein. Oh, this is we got Frankenstein's monster, but all the other characters that were showing up in the parasite worm brain memory parasites episode. So these are fun. What I want to do right now, though, now that we've kind of seen them all, I'm just gonna kind of pick one that I wouldn't be too sad to lose, but I'm gonna pick this one to just kind of see the quality of the sticker. So not too bad. I mean, they look, they're not hand cut, but they look clear like somebody just has a big art page, printed them out, Chinese style. They're pretty thin. Gonna put this one on the back of this one. Not too bad though. Pretty nice. Can I peel it up again? Yeah, I can actually like peel this one off again. Probably because it's that nice material. But kind of rolly now. So definitely a thin sticker, not anything awesome thick vinyl, but these are pretty cool. I liked all the variety. There's a lot of fun ones. There's Switch ones, all sorts of different references. I could see a lot of different options for putting these on things. So yeah, pretty cool. So that was the selection I got. Let me know if you've done any of these as well, and if you got a different selection, or if your selection looked similar to mine. Yeah, pretty cool. Overall, I'm happy. I mean, these were pretty cheap. I forget exactly how much, but I don't think I spent more than $10 on all these. So pretty fun to just get a variety of stickers. If you like to put stickers all over things, it's kind of fun set. So like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you like to see this kind of content. I've got a lot of different random stuff. I've got my old collection of Pogs, but recently I got a bunch of Pogs from a thrift shop in Mullen, Idaho, tiny little town, and so I got a whole bunch of new Pogs. So let me know if you want to see kind of that Pog collection, kind of like this, just kind of go through them, look at them, and laugh. Anyway, that's it for today. Talk to you soon.